Hello everyone. The 2025 Porsche 912 is an iconic revival that blends the timeless appeal of the classic model with the advanced engineering and technology of modern-day Porsche. This compact sports car is designed to capture the hearts of enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, offering a perfect balance of performance, style, and practicality. With its unmistakable silhouette and refined proportions, the 2025 Porsche 912 reaffirms its place in Porsche's legacy as a symbol of accessible luxury and driving excitement. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 912 is equipped with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers exceptional power and efficiency. The engine is finely tuned to provide quick acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it a joy to drive on both highways and winding roads. Paired with either a precise manual transmission or Porsche's advanced PDK dual-clutch automatic gearbox, the 912 offers a dynamic driving experience tailored to individual preferences. The exterior design of the Porsche 912 showcases a modern interpretation of its classic look, with clean lines, flared wheel arches, and signature round LED headlights. The aerodynamic enhancements not only improve performance but also give the car a sleek and purposeful stance. Stylish alloy wheels, a subtly integrated rear spoiler, and distinctive badging complete the exterior, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Porsche 912 combines traditional elements with cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials such as premium leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber are used throughout, creating a luxurious yet minimalist environment. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and support during spirited drives or long journeys. A modern infotainment system takes center stage, featuring a responsive touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and access to Porsche Connect services. Drivers can also enjoy features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Safety and driver assistance technologies are integral to the 2025 Porsche 912, offering peace of mind without compromising the thrill of driving. Advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning come standard. Additionally, the car includes parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and optional surround view monitoring to make city driving and parking stress-free. On the road, the 2025 Porsche 912 excels with its agile handling and precise steering, thanks to a finely tuned suspension system and lightweight construction. The rear-wheel drive configuration ensures a classic sports car feel, while the advanced stability and traction control systems enhance confidence in various driving conditions. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising along the coast, the 912 delivers a thrilling and responsive ride. Customization is another highlight of the Porsche 912 experience. Buyers can choose from an array of exterior colors, interior trims, and optional packages to personalize the car to their tastes. Porsche also offers performance upgrades for those who want an even more spirited drive, ensuring that the 912 can meet the needs of any enthusiast. The 2025 Porsche 912 redefines the compact sports car segment with its blend of heritage, innovation, and performance. It is a car that appeals to both nostalgia and modern sensibilities, making it a worthy addition to the Porsche lineup. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth features, reviews, and updates on the latest cars. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread the excitement. Stay tuned for more.